This shows front view going through my neighborhood. It's a cloudy day. Also gives you the date and the time. I don't have the miles per hour set. I can take my finger and do back, what's behind me, and I can do a split screen. I am crazy about this mirror cam. I just think it's one of the best things you can have for safety and secure reasons. It also records while you're sitting still. But I like the fact that I can do front and back at the same time and see what's behind me and what's in front of me. Even if it's cloudy, you can still see the area. The only thing is I'm in a 2019 Lexus ES350, and as you can tell, this little part in the middle kind of hangs down and hides a little bit of the view, but you just get used to it, and I could adjust the mirror to come out a little bit, but if I do that, it interferes with my garage door opener, so I'm just going to leave it like this. But anyway, this is my reviews on this mirror. I think it's an excellent buy, and if I had to buy it again, I certainly would. And I've got the 12-inch size. I had the 10-inch and sent it back, so I like the larger one is a lot better.
So this is normally how I use my mirror. I leave it on the time overlay mode, where it has the time on the upper right hand corner and the date, and it has the compass on the left and the miles per hour. As you can see, I put a box back there to block my view, and that's how it normally looks when I'm moving items. So in this case, I just hit it once to turn it off, and another time to use the live display. So I use this whenever I need to move things.
Okay, this is my camera unboxing. Let us see my camera dash right here. On the table. The extension, electric cable, all the accessories that I don't know yet. That's for wiping the touch mirror, and wire for the back camera, for tightening the dash one, this one, and other stuff that I don't know what is it. And here we have the instruction book. Yeah, it's in like 3 languages: Chinese, German, and English. So after installing it, so I'm going to upload another video to make you see all it's on my car.